Hi, welcome to another tutorial on how to use Lykke services. In this video, we are going to show you how to deposit fiat to your Lykke account using credit card or by making a bank transfer. Please note that in order to proceed with fund management features such as deposits, your account should be KYC approved. So first, we are going to show you how to deposit using credit card. Navigate to your Lykke account on the web and go to Dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, make sure that you are on Funds section. Hover your mouse down to the menu Deposit and click on Credit Card, and select the asset that you would like to deposit. Fill in the form with the amount you would like to deposit and double-check your personal information. Scroll down and click Cash In. You will be diverted to the checkout confirmation of our payment provider. Please fill in the form with your billing information such as your card number, the card CVV, and the card expiration. Also, kindly double-check your personal information such as your name, zip code, address, phone number, and the total amount of your deposit. Scroll down at the bottom and click the button Complete this payment. You will see a confirmation message once your transaction is successful. You may go back to your wallet and start trading. You can also deposit funds to your account using bank transfer. To do so, hover your mouse down to the menu Deposit and click on Swift. To wire funds to your Lykke account, you may use the details provided on your screen. You may also send the bank account details to your email. To do so, fill in the amount that you would like to deposit, scroll at the bottom, and click the Send to Email. After funding your account, you may now start trading or buy your first cryptocurrency in Lykke. Congratulations!